So if you're having neck pain, what are some stretches that you can do to actually help relieve that and loosen up? Hey, I'm Dr. Aaron Wall with Gateway Chiropractic here in Fort Worth, Texas. I wanted to give you a couple stretches here, but 3. It's not an exhaustive list. There's quite a bit of muscles in the neck, but these are going to be 3 key ones that I think can help relieve a lot of your neck issues, especially if you've got yourself in a pinch, you don't know what to do in that moment. This will be a really good video, and you can share this with a lot of your family and friends as well. So want to start up, anytime we're going to do stretch of the neck, we want to warm up before we start stretching. This is smart just because you don't want to be pulling muscles while you do this. You don't want to be in more pain after you do the stretch because you didn't warm up properly. So let's start this whole thing off with just some easy warm up. So you'll sit like this, you'll keep your shoulders level, and we're going to start going rotation side to side to warm up. So nothing crazy, we're not going to go fast. We're just going to do about 10 of these to warm up. And then you'll find that the longer that you can go, you can speed it up a little bit, and you'll start going further out and you'll feel that stretch. So about 10 is all you need to do. That's big. The second thing we want to do is flexion extension, really easy. We want to be warming up this way. We can go down this way. We can go back up, go back down. Again, you can do 10 reps of that as well. And then lastly, we can keep your shoulders level and we can go side to side, kind of ear to the shoulder on both sides. We can do about 10 of those warm-ups. And then you're just, like I said, you're just loosening up. This is going to help these stretches be even more effective for you and a better result. So after you've warmed up, we're going to move into the first stretch. It's going to be your trapezius area. Your trapezius, you got both sides. It attaches to your neck, it attaches to your shoulders, and it attaches to about midway of your back. So it's a big diamond shape. So how do we stretch this out? Super easy. These you're going to do about a 30-second hold on each side. Super easy. The first one we're going to do is I'm going to pull to my left side. It's going to stretch the right. So I'm going to pull like this. To add a little bit of extra sauce, so to speak, towards it, take my right hand and I put it behind my back. So now when I pull away, I really feel that stretch all the way down my trapezius. And then you'd flip and you would do it on the other side. We'd flip and stretch that out. So I'm getting the left one here. Hold it for about 30 seconds each side. That's going to be a big help. The second stretch we want to do is a levator scap stretch. That's going to be working these muscles quite a bit that go into the neck. The way you do it, we kind of think of it as like the armpit stretch. So to sniff your armpit, and that's essentially the position you're going to be in. So I'm going to work my right side. I'm going to look to my left armpit. I'm going to take my left hand and put it on the base of my neck, and I'm going to pull kind of towards my knee at an angle. I'm not pulling down straight, I'm pulling at an angle. So what I do with that, I really feel that pull in this area. You can add to this, you can bring this arm up and hold, and then you can go down, and that really feels it even more. So you can do it that way. Flip it with the right side, same thing. I'm gonna go pull down, I'll bring this arm up, and then I really feel it pull and stretch my left side. So really big with that levator scap muscle. So that'd be the second one you can do. And again, 30-second reps. You can do 2 sets of these stretches per day and be great with it. The last one might be your favorite one. That's the scalene. That's these muscles right here on the front of your neck, and they attach kind of to your collarbone. So to stretch these out, this really gets tight with people that their head's in front of their body, their shoulders roll in. This is so tight, so we want to stretch these things out. So how do we do that? Real easy. You're going to look back, and then for my left scalene area, I'm going to put my left hand on my collarbone a little bit, my clavicle, and pull down a little. But I'm going to turn away from that side, and my jaw, it's going to stay open. And then at the very end, I'm going to close my jaw. That's when you'll feel that real deep stretch when you close the jaw. So don't miss that part. So here's how it looks. We'll go back, turn, and close. And you'll do it on the other side as well. So you'll go back, turn, close. And you can really feel it stretch. It actually hurts so good. That might be your favorite one of the bunch you do. And as a bonus, to really help with the head going in front of the body, like so many people with neck pain have, this is more like an exercise to do. It's a chin tuck. So from the side, this will show it best. I'm going to take my chin, my head, and I'm going to tuck my chin back. Now this is not one you do for 30 seconds, but you do about 10 to 15 reps, and you can rest and then do 10 to 15 more reps. But you keep your hand here to kind of give you that perspective that you're moving your head back onto the shoulders. So those are 4 easy things that you can start implementing now if you're dealing with neck pain. I will say this though, if you have chronic neck pain, but if you've had it for years, if you've had it for longer than 2 months and it's affecting you like this, don't just stretch. Definitely do that. But you need to actually check into maybe a corrective chiropractic office, someone that does, x-ray based adjusting and targeted rehab to correct that problem entirely. Because if it's been longer than 2 months and you're still having it, or if it's getting worse, it's usually structural, not just muscular. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that helps a lot of you. Share that video with a lot of your family and friends, because so many people deal with neck pain these days. This can help them. So again, we'll see you in the next neck pain video.